Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we are flying the Phoenix GPS foldable video drone. Actually, it is a new drone in the market relatively because it has been in the market only for about say just over a month, and this is actually my second time flying this drone. So let's turn it on here, and it is a very interesting drone. Most of you may have already seen my maiden flight. It was a complete success. This is my second time flying the drone. Unfortunately, I have not had a lot of time, uh, to fly this drone. So one interesting thing, like as you can see right now, I am calibrating the drone. You have to calibrate it every time you fly. It is a very simple process, and I have a video up on that on how to calibrate the drone. So this drone, actually the Phoenix GPS foldable drone, of course, as you can see, it's a quadcopter. It comes with its remote control, and also it is very easy to link it to its app. All you do is you turn on the remote control on the drone, you go into your mobile device, search for the app, or if you've already downloaded the app, you search for the app's Wi-Fi, you link to it very easily, and then it is not difficult at all to link it to its app. As you can see here, I am already there, but let me make sure that I am connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay. All right, let's get back to the app now. Good. See, it has this description. Okay, nice. It is connected. As you can see, I already have images coming from the drone, which is very clear on my mobile device. And one interesting thing about this drone, it is advertised to have a 32 minutes total flight time approximately. And what I've noticed is that those 32 minutes is divided into two for each battery. It's not a single battery that would give you that amount of flight. So let's see here if we can take off. Okay, there goes the image from the drone. Very clear. I am impressed, really impressed. 1080p HD. Yeah, let's turn it on. Great. It turns on really nice. It has a 1 key takeoff and a 1 key landing. It has a return to home. It also has the follow me function, which I will test on another video, but for now I just want to fly it a little bit, have some fun out of it, and hopefully make an interesting video. So let's go. Yep, pretty stable. So the calibration was perfect. Not very windy, but as you can see, it is really stable. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. It says on the box, or the description of this drone, that it has a range of 2,000 feet. But I would not recommend anyone flying in the US to go up that high or far away that far, because we have a limit of the height in which you can fly, 400 feet. So we want to keep it underneath 400 feet at all times. And it does come also with a brushless motor. Sorry if I didn't mention that earlier. and of course real-time transmission of the video, as you have already noticed. It also has variable speed settings, so you can change your speed according to how you want to fly. And one other interesting, very interesting feature that this drone has is that it has a motorized 180 degrees rotating camera, which is very good for picture taking or video taking as well. USB plug, and the Wi-Fi seems to be working really great. All right, guys, so let's go back and see again. The only thing that I've noted, as you may see in this video, is that sometimes it will halt. There is a lag in the transmission of the video, but I am not sure if that is a real big problem. It might just be that for now my settings needs to be played with, which I will do further research on that, and then on another video we'll try to explain why, or if it's just a fault that the drone has. But so far my impression about this drone has been very impressive. I really like the drone. I enjoy the way it flies. It doesn't really much compare or to the VIVITAR AeroView video drone. The Phoenix GPS foldable drone is a wonderful drone, but I also enjoy flying my AeroView, which is also made by VIVITAR. So as you can see, I had to land it here because it was drifting a little bit, and it's simply maybe because I did not do the calibration of the gyroscope, so I have to do that again right now. Yeah, but so far it is a wonderful drone. I will encourage anybody who's like an intermediate pilot to get this drone. I say intermediate, not beginner, because it doesn't come with a prop guard, and for those who are new pilots, it takes a while to really master how to fly a drone. So, and without prop guards, you may easily destroy your blade, so or your propellers. So this drone, it's possible that it was made for intermediate pilots and higher. Video quality, great for its price. 1080p is good enough for those who just want to fly as a hobby and not really for commercial purposes. But however, this is a very nice drone, the Phoenix GPS foldable drone. Actually, it is called the VTI Phoenix GPS foldable drone. So it has auto waiver, 1 key landing, HD camera that you've already seen the quality of, and it has the follow me, which like I said earlier, I will definitely make a video about that just to test the follow me function of the drone. It has GPS transmission as well. So guys, there you go, second flight, complete success. Just a little bit lag on the video transmission, but that isn't really a major problem if you're just flying for a hobby. But it might also be that I need to check out the settings and maybe tweak something for it to not have that lag. But as you can see, the lag wasn't really great or very frequent. It was just once or twice that I had that lag, and it might just be that it is something which was corrected by the drone itself, the functions of the drone. But as you can see, it flies wonderfully. Good response to the remote control Very interesting and nice drone. So as you can see, on a cloudy day it still manages to take great pictures. 32 minutes flight time shared between two batteries, and yeah, I will recommend this drone anytime, any day. I really enjoy flying it. Guys, please subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.